Transportation problem introduction. It is a special type of linear programming problem in which goods are transported from a set of source to set of destination subjected to the supply and demand of the sources and destination respectively, such that the total cost of transportation is minimized. Types. There are two types of transportation problem. One is balanced transportation problem. Balanced transportation problem, when the sum of supply equal to demand, then the problem is said to be balanced transportation problem. Another type is unbalanced transportation problem. In unbalanced transportation problem, a transportation is said to be unbalanced if the total supply is not equal to total demand. We should convert an unbalanced transportation problem into balanced transportation problem by using the unbalanced transportation problem is converted into a balanced one by adding a dummy row, that is source, or dummy column, that is destination, whichever is necessary. The unit of transportation cost of a dummy row or dummy elements are assigned to 0. Then the problem is solved by usually procedure. And methods. There are two types of methods. Stage 1, finding the initial basic feasible solution, and stage 2 will be finding the optimization. In feasible solution, a set of non-negative decision values xij, I equal to 1, 2, 3 to m and j equal to 1, 2, 3 to m satisfy the constraint equation is called a feasible solution. In stage 1, basic feasible solution, a basic feasible solution is said to be basic if the number of positive allocations are m plus n minus 1. M means source, n means destination. If the number of allocation are less than m plus n minus 1, it is called degenerated of transportation problem. Degenerate or degenerated basic solution. In stage 2, we have to find out optimum solution. Optimum solution means a feasible solution is said to be optimal if it is minimized the total transportation cost. Here we have to work out a sample problem with the help of to finding an initial basic feasible solution. In phase 1, we have to find the initial basic feasible solution. We have using three methods. First method is northwest corner method. Second one is least cost method, otherwise we called as a matrix minimum method. And the third one is VAM method, Vogel's approximation method. Right now we have to solve by following this, finding an initial basic feasible solution by using northwest corner method. It is an example program to solve the northwest corner method. In this problem, we have to define source. Source will be source 1, source 2, source 3, and destination will be A, B, C, D, and they are given some supply values, source 1 to 300, source 2 to 400, source 3 to 500. So similarly, in demand for A destination, the demand will be 250, and that B, the value should be 350. In a destination C, the demand value should be 400. In D, in a demand value should be 200. We have to check first step to solve a transportation problem. We have to check the total transportation cost, total supply equal to total demand. In this problem, the total supply value should be 300 plus 400 plus 500 is equal to 1200. In demand also, the value should be 250 plus 350 plus 400 plus 200. The total value in demand is 1200. For this transportation problem, the total supply equal to total demand. Then the problem is solved by usually we can usually proceed next steps. We should, using a northwest corner method, we should assign a value should be in the cost matrix 3, first row, first column. We have to be choose 3 is a northwest corner method starting point. So in that point we have to be adjust supply and demand. So here the demand value will be 250 and the supply value will be 300. We should assign the value 250 and 300. So supply they have remaining value 50, in demand the value will be successfully completed, so that particular column will be exited. So next we have to be go through as per the rules of northwest corner rules. We have to be allocate here the value will be 1 by using a northwest corner method. The 1 will be, we have to be adjust the supply and we have to be adjust supply value here will be 50 and demand value will be 350. So here we have to be assign a minimum value should be 50. So far we can assign a 50. So far this 50 will be cancelled, the remaining value will be 0. In 350 they have 50 will be cancelled, 300 will be remaining values, and that here the supply value will be 0. So that particular row we should be exited. So remaining we have 6 elements values 6, 5, 9, 3, 3, 3, 2. So here northwest as per the rules we have to be choose here for a value should be 6. Here we have to be supply value will be 400, demand value will be 300. So minimum value should be 300. We have to assign 300. So cancel 300. The remaining value will be 0. So similarly 400 minus 300. The remaining value will be 100. So we have to be cancel this particular columns and we have to go to next procedure, next steps. The remaining we have only for 4 values. So in that we have to be choose for 5 values. So in that 5 values we have a demand value 400 and supply value will be 100. Compare this 2 value, we have assigned 100. 100 will be cancelled, remaining value should be 0. In that 400 we have to be remaining value will be 300. So here the supply value is 0. We can cancel the row. So finally we get just 2 elements in that particular matrix. So we choose 3 value is 300 and 500. We have to be allocate a minimum value should be 300. The 300 should be cancelled. The remaining value should be 0. And then we have to be cancel this here also. The remaining value will be 200. So at least we have to be cross check entire cost matrix. 200 supply, 200 demand. We have to be choose 2. So in that 200 will be assigned the demand also 0, supply also 0. Hence the given transport northwest corner method is entire value should be assigned. The 2 side also corrected. Here the transportation cost is 250 into 3 plus 50 into 1 plus 300 into 6 plus 100 into 5 plus 300 into 3 plus 200 into 2. The total transportation cost value will be 4,400 for this given transportation problem. As per the northwest corner method,